The secret to manifesting using parallel reality shifting is a breakthrough way of understanding how you can manifest anything in your life. Reality is not fixed, nor is it linear, and anything and everything exists right now. In fact, there are infinite versions of yourself that exist in this very moment. Parallel reality shifting involves disconnecting from your current state and experiences and immersing your consciousness in an entirely new world of experiences and feelings. This process is achieved through our boundless subconscious mind, which serves as the gateway to a new reality. However, the abundance of information available on reality shifting and the various techniques that can be used can be overwhelming, leading to confusion. Therefore, this video will outline a few essential steps that will yield excellent results and help you master the art of shifting to a parallel reality to manifest anything that you desire. These steps have been tried and tested and have produced great results. Intentionally shifting into a parallel reality involves moving to a new timeline where we can experience favorable outcomes of our choosing. If you believe in the existence of parallel realities and multiverses, you know that creating a significant shift in your life is just a small shift away. The concept of parallel realities and shifting to a new reality might seem far-fetched to some, but in reality, all variations of time and space exist now. Therefore, shifting to a parallel reality is simply choosing a new version of what you want to manifest and focusing your energy on it until it materializes. We are constantly shifting realities, but we may not always be aware of it. That is why having a clear vision of what we want to manifest is crucial before tapping into the vastness of our subconscious minds. Now, many people ask how to know precisely what reality they want to experience if they are not clear. The answer is to ask yourself what a fulfilled life would look like. The mind will prompt images or sensations relating to the perfect life, inspiring new ideas and solutions for intentional manifestation. The mind is wired to seek solutions to questions and find validation for those questions in physical experiences. Your vision for making the shift to a parallel reality can be broad or specific, depending on what you want to manifest. You can start by focusing on one aspect of your life that you want to change or shift, or envision a complete transformation in all areas of your life. This vision sets the intention for the new experience and keeps you from becoming distracted or confused during the shifting process. Preparing your mind and body for the shift is an essential step to successfully shifting to a parallel reality. The first thing you want to do is relax and calm your mind and body, which can be achieved by getting yourself into the alpha state. This state allows you to connect with the inner parts of yourself that are unlimited and free from mental constraints. Now, it is important to note that being relaxed means you are not thinking about whether you can manifest your new reality or not. Instead, you are tapping into the parts of you that are completely limitless. Once you have reached a relaxed state, it's time to create some identity-shifting affirmations that match your vision. These affirmations will serve as a guide to match the new reality that you've created. Keeping the affirmations to 3 or 4 makes them easier to navigate while in a relaxed state. As you work with this step, you may notice more physical shifts in your body, such as sensation of floating, tingling in an area of the body, twitching, feeling euphoric, a change in heart rhythm, sweating, or even itchy skin or scalp. These physical shifts are often subtle, so use your mind to tune into your body during this process. Once you have become completely relaxed, state your affirmations and notice a shift in your body. It's time to incorporate your vision. Creating a detailed sensory-rich visualization of your new reality and yourself in it is the next step. It's best to do this from a first-person point of view, feeling yourself in the scene and looking through your own eyes as you experience it. Invest all of your consciousness and feeling states into the scene and live it out thoroughly in your mind. If you have difficulty seeing images in your mind, allow your body to feel the sensations while thinking of it. As you continue with this visualization, it's likely that you'll move down into the theta state, especially if you are using meditation or meditation music during the process. Alpha waves are perfect for visualization creativity and affirmations, but theta waves are even more powerful for manifesting. By incorporating all of these steps into your practice, you'll be able to prepare your mind and body for a successful shift to a parallel reality, and ultimately create the new and better version of reality that you desire. As you progress into theta state, your intuition and the deeper recesses of your mind become more accessible. This state is ideal for parallel reality shifting, as it allows you to access the subconscious mind, which plays a crucial role in shaping our reality. However, everyone's experience is unique, and you may find that the alpha state, where you're slightly more alert, works better for you. Personally, I like to start my meditation by intentionally entering the alpha state, using guided meditations that help me fall asleep or get into the theta state. This method has worked well for me in impressing my subconscious mind. After completing your visualization process, the next step is to instruct your mind and body to open up to a new reality. If you intend to go into a deep sleep, you can set this intention at the beginning of the process and tell yourself that when you wake up, you'll be in the new reality. At this point, some people may experience doubt and feel hesitant to see if a shift has occurred. However, it's important to remember that a parallel reality shift doesn't necessarily mean that everything around you has completely changed. As mentioned earlier, reality shifts can be subtle and do not always result in a complete change into your entire reality. To further prompt your mind is to open your eyes to this new reality. Affirmations can be a powerful tool to impress the subconscious mind. Now, here's an affirmation that I personally use when I'm still alert. During this process, I am opening my eyes to a whole new reality. I have shifted into a new experience. I have merged with this version of reality. In this reality, I always receive the best possible outcomes in all things and in all ways. I expect to believe that the evidence of this presents itself to me, and it does. If you're intending to fall asleep during your shifting process, you can say this affirmation at the beginning of the process and then allow your eyes to open when they're ready without forcing it with the affirmation. By stating in this reality, you are giving a cue to your subconscious mind that all possibilities are available and that you have shifted into an entirely new experience. This statement also adds a sense of naturalness to the new state of being. And by stating, quote, expect to see the evidence of this, your subconscious mind will work to validate this for you. If you feel like your attempts were unsuccessful, remember to watch out for evidence in the days ahead. It's important to keep in mind that this evidence may be subtle, such as a slight change in the shade of your neighbor's car or a coworker being nicer than usual. Once you see one bit of evidence, more will begin to present itself to you, so keep looking for it. Remember that you are becoming aware of a reality that already exists in your mind as an option to be experienced. By merging with it and practicing this technique, you will begin to see bigger and bigger proof that you have indeed shifted to a parallel reality. Keep practicing and observing the evidence around you, and soon enough, you will fully realize the power of shifting into a new reality. Believing in parallel reality shifting requires breaking free from the limiting beliefs that society has instilled in us about reality being fixed. As you've likely realized by watching this video, your thoughts and focus are powerful tools that can shape your reality. Within your own mind, you have access to an infinite number of possibilities waiting to be realized. By honing your ability to shift your thoughts and beliefs, you can create a new reality that manifests before your eyes. And as you gain more experience with this process, you'll accumulate a wealth of evidence to support your belief in parallel reality shifting, which you can share with others to help them break free from their own limiting beliefs and start creating the reality that they truly desire. So be sure to check out the next video on your screen for more tips on manifesting. And before you do, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new.